This is a Samsung 30-inch freestanding gas range. This is model number NX60A611SB. Now, this is a cool look, man. This is a little bit sleeker than the last two. You know, this is a little bit more low profile. It has the stainless in the back, a little more digital. This is a Wi-Fi product. I'll look at this one. First and foremost, the griddle's a little bit smaller, a little more compact. So if we're gonna do smaller items on here, you're gonna see that. But the option is it gives you a lot more room for the griddles, a lot more room for the grates, a lot more room for bigger size. Like look at my hand on this high power burner, there's still a ton of room. So think about your oversized frying pan, that big cast iron, your big pot of stock. Here's the kicker too. We got two high burners, one on the left, one on the right. That's really gonna power out that BTU. We go to the back, it's our mid-range. This is really rare chicken noodle soup, chili that's fully cooked, just stays and hangs out. Even on our right is our smallest burner, and this is the smallest one out of all four that we've talked about. This smallest burner is really just gonna melt that chocolate, keep that sauce warm, really low heat for delicate items, okay? We talk about the control board in here. It is smart, so you know it can use your Wi-Fi tablets, your smart devices, so you can monitor the cooking process throughout the whole thing. A little bit more digital on this one. We still have our bacon, our broil, which is amazing. We have the keep warm like we mentioned in the few before. We got that great bread proofing. There is convection in here. There is convection roast. There is air frying. So you're really going to see all those same properties. This is just, you know, a little bit sleeker, a little bit lower in the price point too. So it's a little bit more budget friendly, but still packs a good punch. We got our regular timers here. We got our cook timer and then our delayed and then our smart controls that we can go right from our tablet or our device. So let's open up the oven door. I'm going to talk about this, and then this is really nice here. That etched glass all the way down, that black glass really makes this oven look a lot bigger than it is. We open this. Great interior here, great window. You know, we got two racks in here, the additions for another 3. We have that tray down here. Again, if we want to add that water and steam it off. This is a great range that you're going to see a lot of performance on, you know. And being that it's Samsung, it has a Wi-Fi connection, great knobs in the front. I like this model a lot. I think this is like the lowest in the price point area, but still packs a good punch, and you can still cook an amazing meal. And a lot of variation in it too. This one is a winner.